Well, Christmas is coming soon, and I want to give you a great list of stocking stuffers for the traveler on your list. Some of these are very inexpensive, and believe me, they will bring a smile to whoever finds them in their stocking. Under $5 is the different plugs that you can buy. I have a link for the European ones for Italy, Spain, Germany, and France. These are the plug adapters, which if you're in a room, it might not have USA plugs. So these are a great addition and under $5. We all know that airline carriers, well, they're getting a bit persnickety about your luggage. You know, does it fit the height and length requirement? And does it fit the weight requirement? So this is a really nifty thing to have. It is the Inspira portable digital luggage scale. So easy to use. And then you'll know before you get to the airport and found out that you've overpacked your suitcase and have to take everything out while people are watching you. Again, under $10. For the female traveler on your list, this is great. It's the Gillette Venus Extra Smooth on-the-go woman's razor. And it comes in this nice little case, breathable case, and it's so great to tuck in your luggage or into a Christmas stocking. Now, when I go on a trip, I often pack a lot of different over-the-counter meds. Let's see. See this one here? We have Advil, Aleve, Pepcid, Rolaids, Benadryl, and Imodium. These are all my just in case, but I love this pill case. They come in kits of 4, and it's so nice to organize your pills, but be sure to label them. Again, you get 4 of these for under $10, a great stocking stuffer. Now, I have a whole video on this, but this is my tech organizer, and this is the tech organizer kit. Again, under $10, but yeah, plenty of room. Oh yeah, and here's some Euro plug adapters also. And in the back, well, I keep my tech packing list so I don't leave anything in maybe plug in my hotel room or on a cruise room. And then I have 2 different battery backups. So it really fits a lot. And again, under $10. I also have a video on this, and this is how I wash clothes when I'm on a cruise. So I use this. This is the Sink Suds laundry detergent, and it comes with a little sink stopper just in case. But again, a great little stocking stuffer under $10, and it can make a world of difference if you're trying to pack light. I am always only having so many pairs of underwear, and then I expect to wash 1 or 2 times on a trip. So this really comes in handy, and I think any traveler would love it. Now, see this little tiny USB plug? Well, this is to prevent juicing, like when you're in the airport, whatever. So you put this in the USB outlet and then put your USB plug into it. It comes in a pack of 4, again, under $10. And nowadays, with hackers out there, you can't be too careful. And juicing does happen at airports and even hotel rooms. So, again, a much appreciated gift. Now, these come in a package of 4. They're silicone and they are leak proof. And they only hold 2 ounces. So you'd be fine for TSA security. But the nice thing about these is you can just squeeze them and easily get out what you need. Again, under $10, a great travel fun. Along that same line, I have these. Again, silicone. I put in maybe some face moisturizer, some lotion, whatever in here. Just great for travel. The cap is very, very secure. And this comes in a variety of different sizes, and a whole pack of these containers are under $10. Again, easily fit into your stocking. Now, in the under $15 range, I'll show you a picture here because this actually comes in a pretty little gold sack and has lip balm with it too. But instead of carrying lotion that could leak, you can open up this jar. You have this really nice, smells like vanilla, smells really, really good lotion bar. And all you have to do is, that's right, just like that. And it's solid, so you don't have to worry about liquids going through TSA. Great little gift for under $15. Under $20 is this sampler kit from Quiche shampoo and conditioner. It actually includes 2 shampoos and 2 conditioner bars. They're like this. So again, doesn't take up much room, and you have a shampoo and a conditioner bar. Easy to use, no liquids to worry about for TSA, and they smell great. So you actually get 4 of these. Again, I've used them. I think they're great. They are made with rice water protein, castor oil, and coconut oil. Color safe, pH balanced, and vegan. So how can you go wrong? Under $25 is this, and it comes in a variety of colors. This is mango. But yes, you can have your own, can you hear it? Yeah, electric toothbrush. Very thin, doesn't take up a lot of room, but very nice for teeth hygiene when you're traveling. Again, great stocking stuffer. And it fits in this nice carrying case, so no toothpaste or water gets in your luggage. Also under $25 is this cute O-Light. It's a clip-on light. It is 300 lumens. See? And I love it because it doesn't take up much room. It's easy to find because I think of this neon orange color. I keep it in my tech kit, so it's right at my fingertips when I'm traveling. But again, a great gift for a traveler. And I love O-Light products, and this is no exception. Well, there you have it. I think all these things would make great stocking stuffers for the traveler and even for people who aren't into traveling. These are just great little nifty gadgets to put in your stocking. And, well, if Santa doesn't bring it yourself, I got links below so you can order them for yourself. Because I'm telling you, these little items and gadgets are just great for traveling. And none of them take up much room. So on behalf of me, Mary Ellen, or Prepper Potpourri Escapes, I want to wish you a wonderful holiday season, and I hope you have a great New Year for 2026. And if you're like me, you're planning your different travels and great places you want to go. So always remember, adventure awaits. Thank you.